welcome to Chef Anaii, and I am back with another video. Today's recipe is rajas con queso, a tamal, but it's going to be in a banana leaf. It's a different version. Let's start. We're going to start by roasting our jalapenos. I've got a few Anaheim peppers and poblano peppers. We will broil them for about 5 minutes, turning them around on each side. Now once they get nice and dark, we'll set them aside and allow them to relax and steam in like a container. Okay, so set them aside and we're going to start on our vegan cheese. And this is my sunflower recipe. I have that recipe in multiple videos, but I'm going to go ahead and show you again how it goes. I'm going to add some water, a cup of water. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of tapioca starch. You can also use potato starch or psyllium husk. We're going to add the sunflower seeds. This is my favorite seed to use to make my nut cheese, but you can use whatever you like. And some salt. Now we blend till it's completely smooth. And I'm using the Elk Combs blender. You could also use any other high-speed blender or a Vitamix. I have a Vitamix blender, but I like to use the Elk Combs, believe it or not. Now we're going to transfer our nut cheese to a saucepan and we're going to heat it up till it becomes thick. This will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. The more you heat it up, the more you evaporate the liquid. It causes the cheese to become more firm. Now we're going to place our cheese into a container and allow it to completely cool down. Okay, it's completely cooled. Now we're going to start on our tamales. And I'm going to use some unprepared, already made masa from a grocery store nearby. And all I'm going to do is add just a little bit more liquid and add some salt. All right. Just going to knead it with some vegetable stock. Okay. So I'm going to do a different way of making rajas con queso. I'm going to use aluminum foil and banana leaves. And then I'm going to add my masa. I'm going to add my rajas. And I'm going to add my vegan cheese. A little salt. And we close up our tamales. I made these for Christmas. And I also ate them with the Honduran tamales. And I also made these as well. So I'm just showing you in a separate video how I made the cheese tamales. Some vegan cheese, some rajas, or some chilies. These tamales were so good. And extremely addicted too. Now, you fold over the banana leaves and then the aluminum foil. All right, now we add some masa, some cheese, as much chilies as you want. These are not spicy chilies, so you can add a lot. We fold over the banana leaves and then the aluminum foil. Now we fold over one side, we fold over the next side. And now we steam for 3 hours. And here's the next day. And this is the results. Super delicious. An amazing traditional way of celebrating with family on Christmas days, Thanksgiving days, and New Year days. So this is like the traditional meals for our holidays. This is what I have every year in the holidays. So I always love it and I enjoy veganizing it.